Today, let's look at the LeetCode problem 515. Find largest value in each tree row. We are given a root of the binary tree, and we have to return an array of the largest value in each row of the tree, zeroid text. So let's take this example to understand the problem better. Now, we have a tree here, a binary tree here. In each of these rows, we have to return the largest element. So in this given tree, we will first return have a vector which will be 1, 3 and 9. So I think now let's see how to solve this problem. Now if you see, I think you already got the intuition of the problem. It's a level order traversal, and in each level we will have to find the max element. So we will first traverse level 0. So in level 0, of course, 1 will be the largest element here. Then in the second level we will have 2 and 3, and from that 3 and 2, from that 3 and 2 we should take the largest element. And in level 3, in this example, we will have 5, 3 and 9, and we will have to take the largest in this element and insert it into the array. And so now let's see how to solve this, code this up. So let's start with a queue. Okay, so node star root, sorry, my bad, queue. Let's also handle the corner case. If root is equal to null ptr, sorry, we will return an empty array. Then we will insert the root into the queue. So this is like your normal level order traversal. Okay, I'll put it here. Traversal. So here we go. And then what we can do is, I think I'll just produce this. Then while queue not empty, we'll go through each levels. So we will also keep max val, and we'll initialize it to the top of the queue. This will be val. Okay. Then we'll also store the queue size. So that will be queue dot size, because we only want to traverse through that level at any given point of time. So 0, I less than queue size plus I. Then this is basically to have a safe value. Now let's go through it. We will iterate through each elements of the queue. So tree node star current is equal to queue dot friend, and then we can just pop the queue. If current of left, then we'll push the left element into the queue. This is our normal level order traversal. Curve left, and if there is a right, we will insert the right of the tree, right of the node, tree node, and then here comes the specific handling, where we will just set max val is equal to max of curval comma max val. Okay, so in this particular level, we will ensure that the max value is taken into account. For the given level. So we also need an output array. So I'll just put that int out. Okay, and then after the level order traversal is completed, we can actually set the max value, push the max value to the output array. And of course we can return out. Let's see how it goes. Okay, now let's also try running this. Okay. Okay, so the solution looks good. Let's also see what will be the time complexity here. So the time complexity will be order of n, because we have to iterate through each of the elements, and our space complexity will also be order of n. The reason is that if you have a full tree, you will have n by 2 elements in its the lowermost level. So yeah, we can tell that the time complexity and space complexity is order of n. So that's it for today. Thank you.